Okay, welcome back to my new video. Today's lesson is going to be on range, how to iterate over elements in data structures like integer array, and then maybe maps. We want to know how we can loop over elements in these type of data structures. Okay, so the whole idea is just to use the for loop to retrieve elements in this data structure. So let's jump into the IDE. Okay, so I'm already in the IDE. So I'm going to create a new folder or directory called range. And within the range directory, I'm going to create a new Go file called main. You can call it whatever you want. So I'm inside the main function. So I'm going to declare an array of integers. So I'm just going to say ages colon is equal to let's say 5 elements. It's an integer, and then I'm going to specify 20, 19, 50, and 99. And the last one, let's say 110. Okay, so these are the elements in this fixed array. Okay, so let's print ages. Okay, so if we print ages, you can see the elements in the array. Okay, so we want to sum all the elements in this array. So what we're going to do is to add 20, 19 plus 50 plus 99 plus 110. So what we can do here is to declare, let's call it total. Total is equal to 0. We want to make it 0. We initialize total to be what, 0. And then we're going to use the for loop keyword for, and then so it's kind of key v in range of ages. Okay, so these are the key and values pairs. Okay, but we are not interested in the key, so we're going to use the underscore keyword to ignore whatever the range returns from this integer array. So it's going to return the index and then the values, but we are interested in the value. So, but we want to rename this as what, age. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to sum total plus equal to age. Okay, so whatever age we get in this integer array, we want to add it to total. This is a short form, but we could have also done this, total plus age, and then assign it back to total. So the shortcut is total plus equal age. Okay, so you can either do this or do this. All right, so after that, we want to print total. Total ages is okay. So I want to print total. Okay, so let me run this here so that we can separate. All right, so I want to run this part of the code. So If I click on run, so now you see the total is 298. Okay, so this is how you use the range and apply it to an integer of arrays, okay, and display the total. So let's also look at another example. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to loop over the same ages, range ages, and then I'm going to apply some condition, okay? So I'm going to say if age is equal to, let's 19, okay, let's make it 50. Then we want to just print, the index of this age. So index I, okay, the index of this 50. So it's going to be 0, 1, 2. So we should expect the value of what? 2. So as you can see, we have the index to be 2. Okay, so we could have also printed the index, we call percentage D, and value is percentage D age, passing age, and make this one printf. Okay, so we are just printing the index and then the value for that age. All right, so let me run this and let's see what we got. So you see the index is 2 and then the value is 50. All right, so let's look at map example, how to apply range on maps. So let's declare, let's say fruits, let's call it fruits. And then we declare our map with a key is string, and then the value is also a string. Okay, so the first fruit, we're calling the key A, and then the value is apple. And then the second key is B, and then the second value is banana. And then let me get a third one. Let's call it guava. So guava, okay? So this is the map. So we want to grab the key and then the value using the range function or the range keyword, all right? So I'm still going to use the for loop. So I'm going to grab the key, and then the value. Let me call it val. And then I use the range keyword on the fruits. Okay, so I can now print percentage S, and then percentage S, so it means string. Okay, and then I'm going to apply a new line to it, and then pass in our key and then our value. Okay, so let's run this and see what we got. So let me just print this line to separate. I always want to try this, but let me see if it's going to work. dash times, let's say 50. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work. So let me just do my usual. All right, so I'm going to run this. So let me cd into range. So I'm going to do go run. Let me see my current working directory range. No, I don't need this. Okay, so let me run this. Okay, so as you can see, it's supposed to be a new line as well. And then let me rerun. All right, so as you can see, the key and then the value pair is being displayed. All right, so I think this is all for key value pairs using the range keyword. Maybe I might want to just do the last thing. You can also print just the keys. So if we do for key, which is the key in range fruits, you can just print only the key. All right. So let me run this. You see, we have A, B, and G. So let me just make a print ln. You can also print the value only. Then, okay. Also print just the value. So you see, this is just the values. So depending on what you want to print, you can determine that. All right. So yeah, so I think that is all for now. So thanks for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do. And then I'll see you in the next one.